What up, girl? Sick of your ass leaving me undelivered. It's beneficial that I'm beneficial for you, babe, but you acting like you don't remember. Whole time you was missing me. Whole time I was thinking of you. Got me venting to my niggas sipping on the book, trying to see what I'm finna do without your love, cause I don't need nobody, babe. Want your mind and body, babe. Meet me in this lobby, baby.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, welcome in general. My name is Reese, and before we get started, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, as well as turn on your post notifications, because a lot of the times they will not notify you unless your post notifications are on. So make sure you click that bell symbol so that you can get notified when I upload a video. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this supernatural crochet style. I'm in love with it. I've been wanting to do a style that'll last me a while, so I don't have to keep manipulating my hair. So I thought that this was the perfect look. These bangs are a little bit long. I probably will end up going back in to cut them a little bit, but for now this is what we're working with. So if you're interested in more information about this hair and how I did it, then just keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so this is the braid pattern that I'm using, and I did make a video on how I achieved it, so I will definitely link that down below as well as at the end of this video. So this is the hair that I'm using, and thank you to Sam's Beauty for sending me this. I will definitely link it down below. So each pack comes with 2 bundles, and in each bundle there are 6 pieces, and also in each little pre-section piece there are 8 little sections in those. So they also come with this little rubber band at the top, I guess for extra security, but I prefer not to use that, so I just went ahead and took it off. So for the majority of my head, I'm just going to take that complete bundle, well not bundle, but that complete section of 8 strands, and I'm just going to crochet that through my braids. So for the back, I used the bricklayering method, and so I didn't place any of them too close together because I didn't want it to be too crowded, being as though I'm using these super thick sections and not separating them in the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to crochet like normal, sticking my crochet hook through, latching the hair on and pulling it back through, and then I looped it through itself 2 times, and I did that for every single piece of hair that I crocheted into my head this entire hairstyle. So once again, just continuing to crochet the back of my hair, and yeah, so once I move up to the next row, you'll see that I'm not going to place the next section right on top of a section that I already crocheted. I'm going to go in between 2 sections, and I'm going to make sure I place the section above it in between those 2 from below. So that is what bricklayering is, if you were unfamiliar. I know a lot of people use this technique for like braids and stuff. I know I do. So it's just really helpful to get a full look without it being bulky.
Time you was missing me. Whole time I was thinking of you. Got me venting to my niggas sipping on the book, trying to see what I'm finna do without your love, cause I don't need nobody, babe. Want your mind and body, babe.
So this is what it looks like when I installed 1 full pack, and I just used that same technique for the whole back of my head, and then I moved on to the front. So this is 2 packs, and for these little braids up here, I'm only taking 2 strands of hair, and I'm gonna crochet that through my braids. Again, knotting it on twice, and at this point I'm still just crocheting like normal.
Yeah, I love it, yeah, I love it. If not with me, then I can't see you with nobody.
Okay, so here is the part when I'm gonna start doing the invisible knot method, and I'm also only using 1 strand now. So essentially what the invisible knot method is, even though I'm sure a lot of you guys already know, is that you are going to go ahead and stick your crochet hook through, latch your hair on, pull it through, and then you're gonna grab one end of the hair, wrap it around, and then pull it through, and then the other end that you didn't wrap is gonna cover that braid. So I'm just gonna continue to do that to my hairline, to the part area, and to the back of my head as well. So around my whole perimeter, and on the part, I did this invisible crochet or knotless crochet method. Then, as you can see here on the left side of the screen, once I turn my head, it looks lumpy. You can see I covered the braid, but you can still see the lump. So in order to get rid of that, I'm going to take one single section and separate it in half. Then I'm going to just go ahead and crochet in front of that, not into the braid, but just into that loose hair. And then I'm going to do that same invisible knot method just in my hair and not on actual braid. And I was going to do this to my whole entire perimeter, but you guys, it was taking so long. So I just opted to do it along the part and to basically the front of my hairline, not the side or the back. I definitely could go back and do it if I wanted, but it was just taking too long. So I just did this front part that's going to be mostly showing, because the rest of the hair is pretty much going to cover my hairline unless I were to wear it up. But this is how it looks, and I used about 2.5 packs. Now I will say that one of the bundles was actually the wrong texture. I guess the manufacturer packaged it wrong. It was like the 3B curly texture from this same brand. As you can see, I put it in the back, and it's just longer than the rest of it, and the curls were looser. So I just went ahead and cut that off to make it even. You can shape it however you want, and then this is the finished result. So I'm really in love. I went ahead and just laid that baby hair down. That's showing, and yeah, you can definitely wear it up, down, however you want. I would suggest, if you want to wear it up and you're self-conscious about the lump from the invisible knot method over the braid, I would suggest to crochet loose hair onto your entire perimeter, and it'll give it a super natural look. As you can see, I did not do that in the back, but you definitely can go fill that back part in, and it'll look so natural. So alright you guys, so that is going to conclude this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and click that bell notification symbol. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.